The title of our project is Methods to Increase Soil Fertility.
Our main motto of this project is definitely to save the fertility of the soil. For agriculture, the first factor is the soil, and for soil, the first and foremost factor is the soil fertility. But due to some reasons, fertility of the soil has been reduced. The reasons why this fertility of the soil reduced is ISRO shows that in 2016, over 120.7 million or 36.7% of India total land is suffering from land degradation. Water erosion results in loss of organic carbon and nutrient imbalance, overpumping of groundwater, contamination of pesticides and metals, reduction of crop rotation, and the soil erosion is the major factor for soil degradation. The loss of soil has another major immediate impact on crop productivity. Around 1.07 MHA is under physical degradation due to water logging. Now my friend will explain about the importance of fertility and fertilizers.
Fertilizers is used to add more minerals and nutrients to the crop which is growing. The fertilizers have some chemicals like potassium, nitrogen and phosphorus from which we can get more yield when we add to the crops. The soil has this inbuilt nutrients or minerals in it, but to add more nutrients or minerals, the fertilizers are used. Now we will explain about the methods to increase soil fertility.
As per our survey, 60% of farmers is using chemical fertilizers and their crops are not healthy, and 70% of farmers getting rid of hybrid seeds because for harvesting hybrid seeds we need adequate amount of water and much fertile land. But in Tamil Nadu, not every land is fertile and not every farmer is getting adequate water for harvesting hybrid seeds. Now we will tell some methods to increase soil fertility.
Now I will say some examples to increase the soil fertility by warm composting, effective microorganism composting, commercial and combination composting.
And other few methods are tumbler composting, direct composting and vermicomposting. But our method of composting is to add commercial and combination composting together by adding garlic. Why to add garlic is garlic contains sulfur which gets rid of other insect which causes diseases for plants. If we consume all those, we might also get some cancer after some years, after some days or months. So to reduce or to destroy all these, we are come up with a method of combination and commercial composting. The factors of this method will be explained by my friend.
The factor which is affecting the soil fertility is chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers are giving the temporary fertilizers to the soil. After some particular time, the fertility of the soil will be lost. When we use more chemical fertilizers to the soil, the fertility will be lost, and the trees or crops which are growing in the soil will not grow. Due to that, the global warming will occur, and the glaciers like Himalayas may melt, and it may lead to the flood.
Thank you for this wonderful knowledge.